Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving straight into how to consolidate and report survey results using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll want to create a new base for your survey results. Now, why do we do this? Well, a base acts as a database to store all your survey responses, offering a consolidated platform for easy access and management. Go to the Airtable homepage, click on Add a Base, and then Start from Scratch. Give your base a meaningful name related to your survey. Next, you need to structure your base to match your survey's format. This means creating fields for each question on your survey. For instance, if you had a question about age, you'd have a field called Age. Creating a field for each question helps us to organize data effectively and ensures that each response aligns with the appropriate question. Now that we've done that, it's time to import your survey data. Navigate to the top menu, click on Import, and then CSV File. Select your survey data file and upload it. The reason we do this is to feed Airtable with raw data, which we'll use to generate comprehensive reports later on. At this point, you have all your data in Airtable. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is now acting as your survey data management tool. All your data is stored, organized, and ready for analysis and reporting. It's like having a dedicated research assistant. Next up, we're going to create views for our data. Now, views in Airtable are like different lenses through which you can look at your data. You can create a grid view for a traditional spreadsheet look, a form view for data entry, or a chart view for visual analysis. Each view caters to different reporting needs, giving diverse perspectives on your data. Now, let's get to creating a report. Go to your base and select the Share option from the top right corner. Then, click on Create a Report. From here, you can customize your report, selecting the fields you want to include and the type of visual representation you prefer. This helps us generate a comprehensive report that can be shared with others for insights and decision-making. Finally, share your report. Click on Share again, then Send Report, and enter the recipient's email addresses. Sharing your report is crucial as it ensures that relevant parties are informed of the survey results, enabling them to make data-driven decisions. And there you have it. That's how you consolidate and report survey results in Airtable. Remember, this tool makes data management and reporting a breeze, turning raw survey responses into meaningful insights. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tutorials.